Okay, so I'm just sharing a little bit of thought on this. Question number 14 asks number of whole numbers. I'm just paraphrasing it over here. This is something to do with the language used in mathematics. Okay, so please pay attention. And I'd like to highlight the word between. Okay, 38 and 68. Okay, so now you might say, okay, I count from 38 to 68 and I say what I've got is I've got 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. So from 38 to 48 I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. Okay, so there are 10 numbers here. Similarly, from 49, beg your pardon, yeah, 49 to 59, another 10, and from 59,
60. Sir, not 59, 60.
48, 49, sorry. From 60, I've got 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and now 68 is the question mark. Okay, am I including 68 or I'm not including 68? So if you stop with 67, that is you don't include 68, then there is 10 here, 10 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have got 28. If you include 68, then you get a different number. You'll say the answer is 29. So which is the correct answer?
Sir, but it says between 38 and 68, no?
I am coming to that. I don't have a dispute with your answer. It's okay. All right. So I'm saying both are possible because the word between is not exactly clear. It depends on the purpose. Okay. Um, if you're counting, let us say that if you are counting the age of somebody, okay, who was born between 1938 and up to the time that he was 1960, up to the age he was in 1968, then how old is this person? How old is she? Then it depends whether on 1968 the birthday is over or not on the day of consideration. So you follow. So if the birthday in 1968 is not complete, then you will say 28 completed. If the birthday in 1968 is over, then you will say she was 29 at that time. Okay, maybe you're talking about your grandmother. Okay. Now the point is that therefore the word between becomes somewhat ambiguous. Okay. So what do you say your answer is?
Says Daham, and I want to say something.
Yeah, tell me.
So formula for this. I have a formula for this answer. So between means the bigger the subtracting both of the numbers,
Yeah.
subtracting and then again subtracting one. If it's written from, then it's adding one more number. So it's like 68 minus 38 minus 1.
Yeah, so using the word from and between can change the formula, right? So I'm just sharing something. The particular answer to this question, according to the suggested text, like I showed to you, is D, that is 28. So apparently they are taking only up to 67 in consideration. Okay, but Panav is saying it's 29 because he is also taking 68 into consideration. Okay, so since
Sir, not me, sir, Nivan.
Nivan, beg your pardon. So since the word in between comes, we treat it rigorously and we say, I don't know if it is birthdays or whatever days it was. That's not my point. The point is that I have been told number of whole numbers between 38 and 68. Okay. Okay, so that means 38 and 68 are excluded. So therefore the answer is 28. That is why the answer is given as D and not C. So the correct answer is D. But in mathematics, I wanted to add a little bit more to this. If we say the number of whole numbers and we keep that number as n, okay, so in maths we can say, tell me the value of number of whole numbers greater than or equal to 38 and less than, greater than 38 and less than 68. Okay, then it becomes absolutely clear that the answer is 28. Okay, now what are the other possibilities? Well, the other possibilities are, you can ask for the number of n greater than or equal to 38 and less than 68. So then the answer will be 29. Okay, and if you say n is greater than or equal to 38 and less than or equal to 68, I hope you understand these operators. Okay, then the answer will come out to be, what will it come out? 30. Okay, so in this I will tell you which ones are not included in this is both 38 and 68 are not included. That is between. In this case, 68 is not included, but 38 is included. In this case, both ends are included. Okay, so in when we are writing mathematically, it will be a good idea to actually represent it like this. Then this becomes absolutely clear to everybody that that is what I mean. I don't want to take the end numbers into consideration. So this is the situation for between. So Nivan, is it clear to you now?